little phony tag he's got. That's some old fake tags. Anyway, this lot, man, I can't get it all on camera. I guess I could try to get on top of the truck. But this lot, man, it is absolutely slammed. Anyway, I think a lot of people watch this channel and the ones that hadn't watched many of the videos, they think all tow companies are corrupt and they're scam artists and all this stuff. But let me tell you something, this business right here was built on integrity and honesty and hard work. It took a lot of years to build this business up, but this is what you call a successful, honest tow company. We don't cut any corners. Every single tow we do is done by the book. The man I work for, he runs this thing. He runs a tight ship on this property. I'll tell you right now, every single digit on every single VIN number's got to be right, or you're gonna have problems. You can't have a single car that don't go through the process. He runs every single car through the database. He does it in a certain amount of time. They give you a certain amount of time to do it, but you have to run these businesses really, really tight. Here in Georgia, I know there's a lot of stuff on the internet. You see all these shady tow companies. Anyway, I just want to put that in this clip. The man I work for, like I said, the man I work for, he runs an honest business. I know a lot of people have a hard time believing a tow company can be like this and be honest, but I'll tell you what, if you're out there and you're in the tow industry, you ain't running it right, you're not going to have this kind of business. You're not going to have this kind of cars. You're not going to have a good reputation doing it, and you're going to have a bunch of damage claims. But if you hire good employees, straight up employees, you're going to increase your chances of having a successful business. Employees are what make a company honest. If you got a bunch of dishonest employees, you got a crappy business. Thanks for the comments and the likes. Appreciate everybody watching the channel.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing? This is some tow company here.
Yeah.
You got a couple cars you need out of here?
Yeah. If you're coming in there to the front office, you're gonna take that first road to the right, and it kind of goes up the hill. Yeah. And then it kind of turns back to the left.
Yeah.
And goes back down the hill. When you start going back down the hill on the left, down there's a black F-250 and a gray Scion. It's at lot 232.
Okay.
You can grab both of those.
Okay. Are they gone? You know if anybody's there?
I want to say there might be somebody there, but if the red truck is in the backyard, but like I said, they normally don't come out and say anything. If they do say, Tamika told me to come get these two cars.
Okay, Tamika, you got it. I would tell them.
Huh?
I'll go get them. You got it. I'll go grab them.
Okay.
Hey, thank you, sir.
All right.
Yep. Anyway, this tow trucker back. We're at a trailer park. This is a different one than the last one we went to. But they got cars they won't remove, so we're gonna ride up here and go get the ones they won't moved. Get them off the property. Here they are. Big F-250. Anyway, I guess we're gonna see. Guess we're gonna find out if anybody comes out or not. We're gonna hook up the truck first. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this thing out in the road, and I'm gonna back up and hook the front. It's gonna be the best bet to hook it from the front. This front end right here is it's already hanging off. It's just barely on there, so I'm not gonna hurt the front end. But it is what it is. We'll pull down here to a level spot and then load this thing up. Anyway, we got those two loaded up. They were a little more difficult than what I was hoping for, but nonetheless, we got them loaded, and we're gonna go up here to the office and sign them out. He thought somebody might be there. I don't think anybody was there at the time, but somebody definitely living there, because he told me they'd probably be inside, but I don't know the story on it. Who knows? But he wanted the cars gone, so we show up and get them. If somebody would have came out, it would have been the same. These cars right here, tags are back 2019. One of them's tag fell off the car. It was in South Carolina, the truck, South Carolina. Anyway, that's just the way it goes. I gotta call this gentleman and sign my tickets out. Okay.
Yeah, totally me.
All right, let me, I wish you'd come out here a minute and a half ago. I wouldn't have it on the truck.
I'm so sorry.
I think we could probably drive it down. Let me unhook it. Let me see your key. I'll pull it down, and then you can pull it another spot.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, I'm gonna pull my bed out, and you build it back up.
Okay.
Thank you. This is stripe moving. I'm doing a stripe job. This whole area right here behind me has been cleared out, and everybody on the property's known about this this moving their cars. And evidently she didn't get up in time. But most of these cars are cleaned out. They're repaving this area, but she wasn't going to move it till till last minute, and she got hooked. I'm still going to get paid on it from the property to move the car, but I got 3 or 4 more. We've been up on this stripe job. This is the 4th day this week I've been moving cars up here in the morning. These stripe jobs can turn violent real quick. People don't know if you're impounding their cars. They see you hooking their car and they freak out. They come running out, so you don't never know what's going to happen on these stripe jobs.
Well, they have to move their car. This is my car.
Which one? These two?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Just somewhere out of this vicinity. You might can pull them down there. Hey, see where the area's at here? See this here? They need see that they need 2 spaces past the split. Otherwise you can park. See that white BMW? See the white BMW down there? I think you can park right there. You see what I'm talking about? The white BMW straight back? Okay. I think you can park in that area down there. This guy over here, this is a perfect example. This guy came out and asked me where to park his car, and then he got mad at the paving guy. He's arguing with the paving guy right here. He's pissed off at the paving guy, and he just went over there and cussed him out. Hey, listen, hey, all they're trying to do is
I
work,
didn't
man.
stay here to keep
Well,
blowing me.
I understand, man. Hey,
Car. I didn't stay here.
listen, man. Hey,
Come on.
hey, listen, just please move your car.
You're still in your pajamas.
Hey, please move your car. Hey, I'm social distancing.
I didn't stay
I'm
here. Keep
social
blowing.
distancing, bro. I tell you what, man. Hey, I tell you what, man. Spit on me and see what I do. Anyway, I didn't handle that very well. Dude was screaming in my face, and I was trying. I already talked to him once, and I was nice to the guy. But he was looking. He wasn't looking for a problem, and I told him, man, all we're trying to do is do our job. And then he spit on the ground like he acted like he was gonna spit on me. Yeah. Act like he's gonna spit on me. If he'd have spit on me during this pandemic, man, he'd have been picking himself up off the pavement. Because I do have a limit of what I do have a limit of what I'll withstand.